Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and I'm here to make some confessions to you today. Some confessions of eating improprieties and neglect of my household. Comment below if you're going to be able to relate to anything that I'm about to tell you. So I'm really doing this video mostly as an accountability. I'm putting this out there on Monday, May the 1st. Today is Sunday, and I'm putting this out there to hold myself accountable. And hopefully you guys can too. So I was doing really good on keto, and I'm on keto for, I was on keto for numerous reasons per my doctor's request. Please don't take anything that I'm about to tell you as medical advice. Please check with your doctor before changing your eating habits and your lifestyle, your eating lifestyle. And I've had blood work done, and I've tried very different things. So sometime in last year, like last summer, I was advised to try keto because I was not losing weight. I was having problems with my part of my thyroid. I was having, I'm pre-diabetic technically, but just a little bit, but pre-diabetic. I do have high cholesterol, and I don't know if there's some other things that was on there. And I had tried to eat good, and like I normally would, fruits and vegetables and, healthy carbs and all of that. And I just wasn't losing any weight. None of my levels were really getting any better. So the doctor suggested that I try keto, and it changed my life. And I mean, it really does. When I'm on it, it does work. Since I started keto, I've lost 30 to 40 pounds. And my A1C was getting better a little bit at a time. And A1C is a 3-month average of your blood glucose or sugar or something like. It's a 3-month average. So at this point where I'm at today, I would not want to have my A1C checked, because for the past 2 months since we went on spring break, I have been off of keto. I've been eating desserts and carbs and all kinds of things that I know that are not good for me. I can definitely tell the effects of that because I'm feeling sluggish, I'm feeling bloated, and all of those things. And so I am here today to make a commitment that I am starting keto tomorrow. And I say that every Monday and even during the week. But really at this point, I'm prepared. I have the food that I need, and I'm just putting it out there into the internet so that you can help me stay accountable for that. Also, I am someone that really loves to clean. I do find joy in cleaning, and this year I'm having, I find cleaning relaxing, and it's kind of a hobby of mine. And so for this year, I've really been focusing all of my extra time in the evenings, especially on reading, because that is a hobby that I love too. So I have really been struggling this year with staying motivated on this cleaning plan, strategy, whatever, called Fly Lady Cleaning. And I will link as much information as I can below on Fly Lady Cleaning. It's something that really worked for me. It keeps me from having to spend so much time on the weekend cleaning my home, because you have a set of routines that you do daily. During the school year, the morning and evening routine I don't do because I'm not home. But there's a weekly home blessing where you have the set task that you do for your home every week. And then each week you have a certain area of your home that you work on cleaning throughout the week, so that by the time the weekend comes, you don't have to clean because you've been doing it in little chunks throughout the week. And I have found over the summer and even for most of the school year that it really was working out very well for me, and I wasn't having to spend so much time cleaning on the weekend. I don't thrive well in clutter and dirt and junk. And so Fly Lady cleaning really helped me to be able to maintain my home and find that joy of cleaning. And so I'm here today to tell you that I have started my weekly home blessing, and I am taking a look at what my cleaning zone is for the week, and I will be working on that so that this weekend I can relax and spend some time reading. And I think that that's just the struggle of life, right? Like trying to find your work-home balance. I'm working on that. As a teacher, it's very easy to be able to get sucked into your job because I do love my job, and I do love planning and finding resources and all of that stuff. So it's very easy to kind of get sucked into that. So I'm working on my work-life balance, and I'm also needing this year to work on my hobby balance and being able to enjoy all of my hobbies kind of a little more equally. So those are my confessions. I have been eating terribly for the past 2 months, and I can tell. And my home is dirty, and I can tell. And today we change that. So let this be your motivation to be able to eat a little healthier this week, do something good for yourself, and do something good for your home. If you're interested in Fly Lady cleaning, I've got some things listed for you below, and I will also list my keto playlist. So if you're interested in some other things that I have shared on keto, it'll be there. I am excited because I do want to share with you my Thrive Market haul that is coming. It's supposed to be later in the week, but I'm hoping it comes sooner than Thursday. But I will be sharing that with you so that you can get some ideas on how Thrive Market can maybe help you stick to keto or any other lifestyle that you might be eating. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.